Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today, I really just wanted to do almost like a public service announcement during COVID-19. And the question I want to answer is, hey, what happens if you can't communicate with your lawyer, if you can't get in touch with your lawyer right now because of the pandemic? All right. And so I do want to explain a little bit, that we as attorneys, we actually have a duty to communicate with our clients, and we have a duty to stay in touch with our clients. And in my opinion, if an attorney is closing down their firm right now, or if an attorney is not answering phone calls right now, in my opinion, that attorney is out of integrity with their duties as a lawyer, all right? And I'm not saying, okay, if they're sick with COVID or something like that, obviously take a day off or whatever. But in theory, right, an office, a law firm, is providing an essential service. And you as the client, your rights are at stake, all right? And so bear with me. And so, hey, your rights are at stake here, and you want your attorney to be fighting for you so that you maximize your chances of winning your case. And so what happens if immigration has sent you a RFE requesting more evidence? Or what happens if immigration has sent you an interview notice during this time and you can't get in touch with your lawyer? Well, you've got to know that if you don't respond to the RFE, your case could be denied for abandonment. And same thing, if you were given an interview notice, if you don't show up for that interview, your case can be denied for quote unquote abandonment if you fail to show to the interview. And so unfortunately, if your lawyer is not available, the best advice is to hire another lawyer, all right? Because you want to respond to the RFE you've been given. You want to respond to your interview notice. You want to go to that interview. You want to be well prepared for that interview. You want somebody to represent you during that interview, all right? Or else you might lose your case. And so it's not something to take lightly. And if your lawyer is taking it lightly and, just shutting the door down and not responding to phone calls with the excuse that a pandemic is on, hey, look, man, when we take professional responsibility on a case, when we accept and enter into an attorney-client relationship to somebody, I mean, I don't care, come hell or high water, come, a zombie apocalypse, come, a plague, whatever the heck it is, we're going to defend our clients. And we're going to do everything that we can to continue to fight our cases. ICE hasn't stopped during this pandemic. They're still deporting people. And so you know what? We ain't stopping either. And we're going to continue to defend people because we believe in what we're doing, and we believe that that attorney-client relationship means something. It's like it's essential for the whole justice system to highly respect and keep it as like utmost integrity, that attorney-client relationship. And so anyway, that's my position. That's my rant for today. Thank you so much for being with me. My point is, if you've got like a response that needs to be filed to immigration, your lawyer's got to be working on your case. And if they're not, you need to go find somebody else. And that's the bottom line. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up here on this video. If this was useful, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're in need of help, like our office is getting these calls, and we're getting a lot of calls here, even during this pandemic. And it's like, it's go time. Immigration's not messing around, so you shouldn't either, and your lawyer shouldn't either, all right? So here we are. We're here to fight for you. Give us a call if you're in that situation. Thank you so much. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you. Bye-bye.